Boy, she vex with me. Cause she say when me for chat, me not chat. And the next thing, me never take it that serious too, because I one time I come at the shop.
So you should have tell her something. You don't think you should have tell her something? Something like that? You have to make one of them know. Because any cat can play.
I understand, But I try one time I come, so I not take it serious, say I come back.
You could have forward 1 time, 3 times, 4 times. Anytime you forward, you should have make somebody know. Because what are defend him or watch him or do something.
But me didn't even tell Karim stills. I look like Karim know the youth like someone in the area.
Tony, you tell me not about Karim and who is responsible for you. Anything happen to you, you know boss you go mad.
Alright, Alright.
You know, sister, I look like I watch him and watch you. I just log back and there they talk to Patsy. And I just see a man just pop out of the dark and there they talk to you. I nearly all pop off and them thing there. Anything could happen.
So when you walk come up to me, I say, who him? I not even recognize him.
Same thing I talk to you about, You have to be more alert. When I face forward in front of you one time, you have to remember that when you see it again. And make sure so when you walk, you keep your head ahead of you. Keep focused on the 2 sides and in front of you. Don't left nothing behind of you. But you don't know about.
I'm not gonna make it up again.
Onion.
How would that?
Onion.
Oh.
It sound like Karim. But what Karim I do yesterday time, yeah? Whisper, me call you back.
Onion.
Tell me say a joke you make. Tell me say you not just come at the woman yard, come ball out my name.
You tell me if a joke you a make.
We are talk about.
I'ma ask you a question. You have a new partner in our business?
We business. The business where you left gone to Portland for 5 days.
So Tony, minute later I work, I go work.
You tell me nothing. After you reach up Portland and them time they tell me, I'm not even sure for work you're gonna work up there.
Tony, honestly, me did think me tell you. Me did have to take on the job because it's that job they know. Money day and night, you see it, and when me make a week, that double it.
You think you tell me? You claim for say you go to Portland go work and you make double money you make at the shop for a week. Let me tell you what happened. You lose 13 customers. Me couldn't manage that all by myself, plus the school included. So tell me, Karim, when you go back to Portland go work for double the money?
I don't think I go back because it's a high risk of losing my business and to lose you.
You almost lose the business because you lose a lot of customers. Plus, you lose me because I'm not going to put up with this.
So I lose you now. Alright. How? Because you have a new business partner now?
What you talk about? At the second time now me hear say this,
Your politician friend will make deal with you behind my back.
Minister Wallace say attack? Karim never there here. Somebody offered the other shop to make a decision.
So I'm the king. I never king would have arrangement with. You just scrap that and then you want to deal with that politician brother, yeah?
Listen, the man did make a better offer.
I know say we're Tonian. You have to learn to keep your word, Tonian. You don't make a deal with king already, and now you just switch that? Me like the politician man there from morning and now at night.
So, what you have against the man?
Alright, may I tell you something what you don't know? That man set me up for me get beat up. That is Tiffany father.
Your ex-father-in-law?
Let me tell you this. Me nah do no business with him. So if you want to do business with him, that's your business.
Maybe me the too. Hasty.
Yeah, Tonian. Remember say I'm me the chef, not you. And me rather work with King.
Him tell me some bad things about King.
Me no care. A politician them name. Them a liar.
Alright. Calm down. Me have another bone to pick with you. Why this Chrissy girl owe $5,000 for food in a shop?
Lady, the reason why me never collect the money is because me live in Portland. However, she transferred the money to me. Swipe left and you see the money that I made back at Portland.
Nice. But you still have to get back your customers then when you lose in a Kingston.
Me will get them back. And me sorry me go Portland and never tell you. The thing me tell you, I guess me da move too fast.
I can confess something to you. Me did think of you and Chrissy did gone to Portland.
What? Me? No. Tony and me rather me you go to Portland for one vacation.
Well, I guess I owe you an apology.
I guess you do.
I have something for you.
Again?